Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Whiskers TV. Let's find out and study the adorable and exotic animals with unique whiskers living in the earth. And at the end, I have a question for you to answer, and you might be one of the lucky ones to win this channel's annual raffle promo. Let's go. Sea otters are marine mammals that are found along the coasts of the northern and eastern Pacific Ocean. They are one of the smallest marine mammals, with males typically weighing between 31 and 45 pounds, 14 to 20 kilograms, and females between 45 and 73 pounds, 20 to 33 kilograms. Sea otters have a dense, waterproof coat of fur that helps them stay warm in cold waters, and they spend most of their time in the water. Sea otters are known for their playful behavior and their use of tools. They are one of the few animals known to use tools, such as rocks, to crack open the shells of their prey, which include clams, mussels, and other shellfish. Sea otters are also important members of their ecosystems, as they help control the populations of their prey and maintain the health of kelp forests, which provide habitat for a wide range of marine species. Unfortunately, sea otters are also threatened by a number of factors, including pollution, habitat loss, and predation by sharks and killer whales. They were hunted to the brink of extinction for their fur in the 19th and early 20th centuries, and while their populations have recovered somewhat, they are still listed as endangered in some areas. Conservation efforts are underway to protect sea otters and their habitats, including the creation of marine protected areas and efforts to reduce pollution and other threats. Sea otters reproduce sexually, with mating occurring primarily from December to March. Male sea otters will aggressively defend territories and mate with females in their territory. After a gestation period of about 4 months, females give birth to a single pup, which they nurse and care for intensively for several months. Sea otters typically have 1 pup per year, and the young will stay with their mothers for up to a year before becoming independent. Sea otters have a relatively long lifespan for a small mammal, with individuals living up to 20 years in the wild. However, their lifespan can be affected by various factors, such as predation, disease, and pollution. Female sea otters typically live longer than males, and sea otters in captivity can live even longer than their wild counterparts. Overall, the reproductive and survival rates of sea otters are important factors in their population dynamics, which can be impacted by various factors, such as food availability, predation, and environmental conditions. Conservation efforts to protect sea otters and their habitats aim to ensure their long-term survival and help maintain healthy ecosystems. Sea otters have many unique and interesting characteristics that set them apart from other marine mammals. Here are some of their key features. Dense fur. Sea otters have the densest fur of any mammal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. This fur provides excellent insulation and keeps them warm in cold waters. Webbed feet. Their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers and allow them to move through the water with great agility. Tool use. Sea otters are one of the few animals that use tools. They use rocks to crack open the shells of their prey, such as clams and mussels. Playful behavior. Sea otters are known for their playful behavior, and they often engage in activities such as rolling and somersaulting in the water. Diet. They are opportunistic predators, feeding mainly on shellfish and crustaceans, but they also eat fish and other marine invertebrates. Flotation devices. Sea otters have a large lung capacity and can close their nostrils and ears to prevent water from entering. They also have air trapped in their fur, which helps them float on the surface of the water. Social creatures. Sea otters are social animals and live in groups called rafts. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, growls, and screams. These are just a few of the many fascinating characteristics of sea otters that make them such unique and beloved creatures. Sea otters play an important role in their ecosystems and have a significant impact on the health of the coastal environments in which they live. Here are some of the ways that sea otters contribute to the balance of their ecosystems. Control of prey populations. Sea otters are top predators in their ecosystem, feeding mainly on shellfish and other invertebrates. By controlling the populations of these prey species, sea otters help maintain the balance of their ecosystem and prevent overgrazing of kelp forests. Kelp forest maintenance. Sea otters are also important in maintaining healthy kelp forest ecosystems. By controlling the populations of herbivores that eat kelp, such as sea urchins, sea otters help prevent the destruction of kelp forests, which provide important habitat for many marine species. Nutrient cycling. Sea otters also play a role in nutrient cycling in their ecosystems. They consume large amounts of shellfish, which are rich in nutrients, and excrete these nutrients back into the ecosystem through their feces. Ecotourism. Sea otters are beloved animals and draw eco-tourists to their habitats. This ecotourism provides economic benefits to local communities and can help support conservation efforts. Overall, sea otters play a crucial role in their ecosystems and are considered a keystone species. Their presence or absence can have significant impacts on the health and balance of their ecosystems, and protecting them is important for maintaining healthy coastal environments. My question: sea otters are marine mammals found in? Comment your answer with your name. And please share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is big help to self-supporting student in the Philippines that we help. Thank you.